How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can upload data to Databricks. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through the catalog option, which is going to be this one. It's not going to be inside the new option right here. Once inside your catalog, there's going to be the create button at the top corner of your screen, which is going to be this one. Click on it, click on add data, and then you want to select the create or modify table. So just click on it, click on the browse option, go ahead and locate your data file. In my case, it's going to be this one. And basically right after, we can then select our catalog, our schema, our table name. We can also set some advanced attributes. And to finalize this data, just click on the create table and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.